How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Without further ado, let's begin. Open Instagram app on your device. It might be iPhone or Android. Access your profile tapping on your profile picture at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap menu icon at top right. That is the three-line icon. Afterwards, you need to access the account center at top of your screen. Scroll down and look for your informations and permissions option. Navigate to download your informations. Choose download or transfer informations and select your Instagram. Tap next button. Select some of your information. Then you need to select messages. Simply check mark the box next to it. Then select the next button. Select download the device. Then create your files and submit the request. After that, you need to simply extract the file once it is downloaded. You can inside the extracted file look for a folder called your activity and tap on messages to find your deleted chats. Now you should be able to view the deleted chats that were included in the data you downloaded. This process allows you to retrieve old messages that might not appear directly in the Instagram app anymore. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.